Hello learners, let's start the topic 3. Individual behavior. Individual behavior refers to the way in which an individual reacts or behaves at his place of work. It can be defined as a combination of reactions to internal and external stimuli. Individual behavior defines how a person will respond under distinct conditions and will express different emotions such as happiness, rudeness, love, anger, etc. Factors influencing individual behavior. Personal factors. Biographic characteristics. These are gifted features that an individual possesses by birth. Learned characteristics. Environmental factors. Organizational factors. Biographic characteristics. Physical characteristics. Skin, complexion, height, weight, etc. Gender. Being a man or a woman is genetic in nature. Women are expected to be more emotional than men and therefore generate high turnover rates. Religion. Highly religious person is stricter towards following moral values, ethics, and code of conduct while performing their roles. Marital status. Married employees have less absences, low turnovers, and more job satisfaction. Learned characteristics. Learned characteristics refers to the changes in person's behavior that comes from his or her interactions with the environment. Personality. Personality solely do not refer to physical characteristic of a person, but indicates the growth of an individual's psychological system. These are the personality traits of persons that comprises of patience, extrovertness, dominance, aggressiveness, etc. Perception. It is a viewpoint of individual through which it interprets a particular situation. Perception is defined as a process via which information enters mind and an interpretation takes place for providing some sensible meaning to the world. Values. These are the global beliefs that guides distinct actions and judgments in several situations. It comprises of idea of an individual that is based on good, right, desirable opinions. Environmental factors. The external environment has an effective role in influencing the individual's behavior. Employment level. Employment opportunities available within the country acts as a major determinant of an individual's behavior. If there are more employment opportunities available, then employees will shift to other jobs. Wages rate. Monetary compensation is a major factor that every employee considers before joining any organization. General economic environment. Economic cycle in a country greatly influences the behavior of an individual in an organization. Job security and a stable income are the most relevant factors of motivation for these type of employees. Political factors. Political factors indirectly influences the behavior of an individual. In a politically stable environment, there will be large opportunities of steady job positions. It will provide better freedom to individual, which will influence their career choice, performance, and job design. Organizational factors. Wide range of organizational factors influence behavior of an individual, which are listed below. Physical facilities. Physical environment at workplace have a great influence on behavior of an individual. It comprises of factors like lighting, cleanliness, heat, noise level, office furnishing, strength of workers, etc. Structure and design. It is concerned with step-up design of departments within an organization. Individual behavior is influenced by where an individual perfectly fits in the hierarchy of organization. Reward system. Fair reward system adopted by company for compensating its employees enhances the overall performance and behavior of an individual.